What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got a rope, shorty, should be that squishing the yoke. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got a rope, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got a rope, shorty ain't tripping, she got a go. Shorty, she bad, she got a bag, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be working with my #1 favorite hair company, which is Unice. I was sent this 14-inch pre-cut lace bob, and baby, when I tell you the bob is bobbing, y'all, stiff bob wear. This hair is moving. I feel like I just got a blowout. Like, this hair gives natural. I think my favorite bob length has to be 14. Like, it just gives natural. Like, I love 14-inch bobs, y'all. You guys already know Unice hair is so freaking silky and shiny. I did not put no type of product on his hair. All I did was honestly straighten his hair, and I just put my wax stick at the top. But y'all, this hair is fire. And this is an air wig, which means you can literally reach your scalp with no problem. So if you have an itch, y'all, we don't have to go for these type of combs, because literally, I mean, this feels good too, but we can also use our hands and scratch that itch as well. But y'all, you guys already know I always have good things to say about Unice. They never fail. All their hairs is silky, shiny. I just love Unice. And baby, the lace is lacing. Like, honey, where is it? Like, this lace is melted. I did not bleach. All I did was literally put my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn, and I just slapped it on my head, y'all. That's all I do. There's no bleaching, no nothing. Their knots is so freaking tiny, you don't even see it once the makeup is on. So you guys already know, I highly recommend Unice hair. Go ahead and grab your pre-cut lace wig, y'all. It is summertime. Nobody got time to be gluing down their wigs and doing all that extra stuff. This wig is literally beginner friendly, and I highly recommend pre-cut lace wig. It saves time and money, honey. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it, let's go. The same wig will be down below. Go ahead and click that link and grab you a pre-cut lace wig, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.